So this is a heart of a lamb, and we have the sinus here. So we cut to the right side. Here we have this is the left atrium and ventricle, and then we also cut to the right side. We also have here the right atrium here and the ventricle here. This is the cardiac apex and the septum. It separates the right and the left part of the heart. And when we turn it around, we can see that that this must be the front, because we have our aorta and pulmonary artery here, and the aorta is a bit thicker because it needs more strength to pump the blood around to the body, and the pulmonary artery is a little bit thinner because it only goes to the lungs. So let's see what the blood flow does. So the 98 to 100% oxygenated blood is right blood, and it contains oxyhemoglobin, and it comes here into the right atrium and returns, comes in here, comes into the right atrium through the bicuspid mitral arterial ventricular valve. So it has two cusps here, goes into the aortic semilunar valve. It has three cusps into the aorta. This is our aorta, and from here it goes then into the body and gives up some oxygen, and then it comes back from the systemic venous circulation, either from the top half of the body, as you can see here, via the superior vena cava, or from the bottom half of the body via the inferior vena cava. And then the blood is deoxygenated, so the blood is deep red. We take blue here, and it comes into the right atrium here. So in here, right atrium, that's the atrium, and through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Then it will be ejected through the pulmonary, so from here to up there to the pulmonary valve, arterial semilunar valve, and it will go through the pulmonary artery to each lung.